For a lot of rooms in Greece, if you don't stick your key card or key in the slot, none of the lights work. The room does come with a mini fridge, and the mini fridge is stocked with liquor, water, champagne, and candy. Although we didn't use the mini bar, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that these small things cost a little bit of money, since nothing in Greece is all inclusive. This market is located directly next to the hotel, probably a 30-second walk from our hotel room. They have a lot of things and they are fairly priced. Nothing is overpriced. Great convenience to the hotel.